Okay, I'm gonna need some help with this one. I got a key reprogrammed right here for my alarm system. Everything works fine. I'm gonna show you what happens now. This key have a chip in it, so I think it may be a bypass somewhere under there that needs to be programmed. But when I try to do the auto start, okay, I'm gonna do the auto start here. I'm gonna hit this button 2 times, and you're gonna hear what happens. You hear that? It's trying to start, but it's like it's going through the starter. But I'm gonna show you, they programmed it, but I'm thinking maybe it's this thing right here that needs to be reprogrammed. Maybe somebody would know. It's called Flashlogic. You see it's trying to start again after a couple of attempts. It'll keep trying to start. So I'm thinking this needs to be reprogrammed. If anybody have an idea of what might be going on, let me know. I'm gonna turn it off because it's gonna keep trying about 3 times. So it happened as soon as I got this key reprogrammed. You see it's trying to start again. So that'll mess your starter up real bad. So I'm gonna put the key in so it won't try to attempt to start it no more. But when I put the key in and start it, it'll start right away. See, it's no problem. I guess it recognized the chip that is in here that is programmed. So it's been reprogrammed. So maybe they're gonna have to go down here and reprogram this thing right here. I'm not for sure. So if anybody have an idea of what's going on, give me a shot, leave a comment below. All right, thank you, appreciate it. All right, when I find out what the problem is with this alarm system, I'm gonna go get it professionally checked probably next week. I'll leave a comment below, but I'm thinking it's that bypass box that I show you guys. All right, I'll let you know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, thank you.